Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am back with one of the great off-campus internship opportunity for the 2025, 2026, 2027 batch students. And this is the company name is Infosys. They are providing the virtual internship 7.0 for the students. So in this video, let's discuss about the virtual internship mean and what is in it for you and what are the eligibilities who can apply, like nominating and shortlisting details and the post-selection internship journey and how to apply. So let's discuss all the details in this video. So the internship name is the Virtual Internship 7.0 and they are announcing the 7th edition. And the main aim is to empower students with industry-ready technology skills. And they're providing the many technologies such as Java, data visualization, artificial intelligence, Angular, full stack, Python technology, many things. What is virtual internship? So they are happy to announce the launch of the 7th edition of the Infosys Springboard internship. This is 7th edition of the Infosys Springboard internship. The internship program has been launched for aspiring enthusiasts, providing a platform to work on real-world projects and gain exposure to the latest technologies. Yes, by this internship, you can explore to the real-world projects and gain exposure to the latest technologies. So this is all about the virtual internship. So what is in it for you? Like what are the things you can learn here is in-depth technologies knowledge, gain hands-on experience in your chosen field technology, like such as you can choose artificial intelligence, Angular full stack, Python technology stack, Java technology stack, or data visualization. So depends upon your interest. You can gain hands-on experiencing in your chosen field of technology. Project-based learning, like such as you can get practical experience working on a real-world project. Means you can work with the real projects with the industry experts such as seniors, mentors. So you can get hands-on experience. Experts guide, learn from industry leaders and become part of a community of like-minded individuals. Like yes, that means you can work with the industry experts, seniors, mentors, team leaders. So you can gain experience. Virtual connect, continue to attend college while engaging in an 8-week virtual internship. Which they are providing you can attend college and also attend this internship. It is 8-week virtual internship, so there is no need to attend even office. It is virtual only. Who can apply? What are the eligibility criteria? Applicant must have passed 12th standard of or equivalent from a recognized board and university. Like people who are completed 12th standard, so those people can also apply. Or like who are the people like graduating, who are the people graduated, then also apply, such as BE, any graduation, and must be currently pursuing or have completed graduation or post graduation. You may have currently studying or have completed or you may undergoing post graduation. Anyone can apply. Commitment. We are looking for enthusiastic learners committed to a 8-week virtual internship. This is an 8-week virtual internship. You have to work for 8 weeks on. Important note: this internship is for students only. Working professionals and alumni of previous batches should not apply. Means this only for the students. Like who are the people are working like internships. Any workers, no need to apply. So they won't accept yours. What are the process of nomination shortlisting? Like process and shortlisting as nomination deadline. Ensure your internship nomination is submitted using a valid Infosys Springboard registered email ID only. March 31st, 2026 the last date. So the last date to apply is the March 31st, means this month last, and you can apply only through laptop. Mobile phone registration will not be considered. If you registered through mobile phone, your registration is not considered. So try to apply in laptop or computer only. Nomination form accuracy. Please fill the nomination form carefully. Inputs provided during self-nomination cannot be changed later. Like when you fill any data, so that cannot be changed later. So please fill carefully. Course completion. To be eligible for the internship, you must have completed the assigned course listed against your chosen technology domain by May 5, 2026. So when you are eligible for the internship, like when you selected, so you have to complete a given course by the Infosys Springboard by May 5, 2026. Then only you are eligible for the internship. Consistent ID usage. Ensure you use the same Infosys Springboard ID to nominate for the internship and complete your course. Like you have to use the same ID for like same email ID or same phone number or the same Infosys Springboard ID for the Infosys Springboard and as well as the internship opportunity. Shortlisting process. Please note that course completion does not guarantee shortlisting or selection for this internship. Like if you complete the course, means they won't guarantee you for selecting the internship. Due to the limited slot availability, means only the limited seats are there. Course completion date will be key factor in the shortlisting index. Like as much as possible you complete the course, you have the high chance of shortlisting. And we follow a first come first served approach. Like who are the people first complete the course, they only first eligible. Post selection internship journey. What next means batch allocation. Shortlisted interns will be allocated to various batches. please ensure you join your assigned batch only, as swapping batch isn't permitted. Like they may, such as February batch, March batch, April batch, like they make batches. So you have to start your internship at the time only. Like if you are eligible in March, so you are started in April, so that is not allowed. Stay updated. Regularly check your emails. Means you have to check your regularly emails or messages to know the regular updates. Best practice of success means you have to attendance means you have to attend regular for virtual sessions with your mentors. Leaves take prior permission for any list. For example, if you want to leave it tomorrow means you have to apply 1 or 2 days before only. Participation. Participate actively in all sessions. You have to participate actively in all the sessions. Means no, don't take leaves, so it will helpful. Contribute effectively to the completion of your project. You have to give 100% to completion of your project, then only will be notified. You have to meet your deadline, so without going to deadline you have to complete your given task. Certification and milestone. Certification eligibility. For the award of the internship completion certificate, your attendance and adherence to the above mentioned best practices will be considered. So you completed the 8-week internship, so if you want certificate means you have to do all the things correctly, otherwise you may miss the certificate. The internship will be split into 4 milestones, 2 weeks each. An average of all milestones courses will be considered to qualify your certificate. How to apply is you have to choose a technology such as artificial intelligence, Angular, full stack, Python, Java, or data visualization you would most interested in for the project, and complete site combination by March 31, 2026. You may choose what are the things we are. So this is all about this Infosys Springboard. So don't forget to subscribe this channel.